Hey everyone, it's Stuart here. Welcome to today's video where we're going to be having a look at what a tailored leads campaign setup looks like. Let's jump in. We want to go over to the Create green button first and click on it, and let's select the leads campaign objective and select Continue. This is then going to give us the two options, the manual setup or the tailored leads campaign. In this example, we obviously want to go for the tailored leads campaign, so let's make sure it's highlighted and select Continue. This is then going to take us to the next stage where there are a couple of things that we just need to keep a track of. So let's open up all the preset settings and have a look at what they are right now. Obviously, we selected the leads generation campaign. We want to get as many as possible, which is the bid strategy. The placements are Advantage Plus placements, which is basically all the placements that are available on the Meta platforms. And we also have an optimization for ad delivery, which is leads. So quite straightforward. Moving on to the next section, we obviously come to the conversion location, where exactly we want to generate our leads. You can choose from instant forms, Messenger, Instagram, and calls. It's a little bit more simplified and streamlined. If we come on down, we can see the Facebook page we'll be using. And if we are running campaigns separately for a catalog, we can select that as well. But we don't need to worry about that in today's tutorial. Coming on down, you can see that the budget and schedule is there, as well as the start date. And if we click on select more options, we have got the run ads all the time one because we've just got a daily budget, but we cannot edit it. If you want to change that, you just change it to a lifetime budget, and then voila, you can edit ads to run on a particular schedule, which is quite a cool little feature, particularly if you are a Monday to Friday business and you are only open at certain times of the day. You can just pull the timers across and choose what days you want your ads to run. Quite a cool little tool. So for the time being, we'll just leave it here on a lifetime budget and we'll keep it in the viewer's time zone. Coming on down to the audience section, you can see it's very similar to the manual setup. You've got the custom audiences section where you can set up and create new custom audiences or use the existing ones you already have. If we go down to locations, it's the same thing too. You can target people who are in your target countries or areas. And we've got the age targeting, gender targeting, as well as the detailed targeting. There's also the Advantage Detailed Targeting Plus, which is automatically ticked here in the Tailored Leads campaign. Quite a handy tool to have if you are not quite sure of who your target audience is yet and you just want to reach as many people as possible. But psst, the secret to that is just going broad to begin with. So we'll untick that for the time being. And you can then see that there is the next button. And where that takes us now is just into the ad itself. So the biggest difference here is that you have your campaign and ad set level effectively as one. And then you've got the ad underneath it. And let's just use our selected page for Instagram. You always want to make sure of that you find the Instagram account you want to use and make sure again that your Facebook page is correct. We also want to give it a good title as well so that we can understand and identify it with relative ease when looking at the campaign. Let's come down to the ad setup itself. You've got the option to choose between single image or video or carousel, much like the manual setup. However, if we add the media in right now, let's add in the image and find an example image to place in there right now so that we can show you quite a cool little feature. Let's select this image and press next and go to next and select the Advantage Plus creatives. Let's select yes to all of the optimizations. So that's the original creative, standard enhancements, which is text combinations, image templates, and so on, as well as image filters, music, and even 3D animation. And let's select Done. This is then going to take us down to show that the Advantage Plus Creative is fully set up. And if we add a bit of headline text in, let's have a look at adding in some past text that we have used before. And let's come on down to the destination and the instant form, which is the July 2023 form. And come right down to the bottom, make sure that our pixel tracking is turned on. And after we do that, we can then see that we can just hit the publish button right there and then. It's quite a simple, easy to follow process, and there are less steps than there are in the other campaigns. Now, one thing that is interesting to know here is that it's going to take some creative control for you, and it is going to make sure that it's as easy as possible for you to set up and run the ad and launch it with relative ease. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. Once again, if you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing Facebook and Instagram marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below, and I'll aim to answer your questions as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.